The Samsung Galaxy S series base model could say goodbye, and the Galaxy S25 might be the last base model of the S series to arrive next year, with rumors pointing toward major changes in Samsung S series lineup. A reliable tech insider Ice Universe posted on X, formerly known as Twitter, where he mentioned that next year Samsung might adjust the S26 series and may cancel the Galaxy S26 because it is no longer competitive in the growing smartphone world. Though official confirmation has yet to be made, reports suggest that the S25 base variant will feature a thinner design, slimmer bezels, 12 gigs of RAM, a new chipset, and advanced AI features. However, rumors indicate that Samsung may discontinue the base Galaxy S26 model in 2026, leaving only the Plus and Ultra versions. Ice Universe also added that sooner or later, Apple might also have to let go of the base variant of its flagship iPhone lineup. The reasoning behind this decision isn't clear, but it likely isn't due to poor sales. Sales data from the Galaxy S24 lineup show that the base model outperformed the Plus variant. While some believe the base and Plus models are too similar, Samsung has differentiated them by offering features like a larger display, better battery life, faster charging, and additional storage in the Plus version. One could say Samsung makes it confusing for users to choose the right device at the right price. Let me explain this. Samsung introduced the FE edition to provide a more affordable alternative to its flagship phones. However, with the Galaxy S24 lineup, the base model is priced at $800, and the S24 FE is only $650, making both the devices too close in terms of price and specs. This overlap may be pushing Samsung to simplify its lineup by eliminating the base Galaxy S26. Do you think people don't need an S series base variant? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this happens, fans of smaller flagship phones may be left without a clear option. Although the market for compact phones remains limited, the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition would cover the gap. Since Samsung dropped the base Tab S10 earlier this year, it wouldn't be surprising if they did the same with the Galaxy S26. This move seems to fit their plan to simplify the lineup by focusing on the higher-end Plus and Ultra models. Apple is facing a similar situation, having discontinued its mini iPhones due to weak sales. Apple is now reportedly planning to release a slimmer iPhone 17 with a single camera, signaling another shift in the market. If the iPhone 17 comes with a slimmer design and a single camera, it could confuse buyers trying to decide which device offers the best value. With the iPhone SE4 also arriving next year featuring a single camera, the choices might overlap too much. It's unclear what these companies are thinking, but it seems they are launching too many products without focusing on what users actually want at a competitive price that won't break the bank. Whether Samsung will follow suit remains to be seen, but more details are expected soon. So, what are your thoughts about these latest developments? Do you think Apple and Samsung should focus on refining their flagship devices rather than launching too many devices one after another? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.